Hey everyone, check out my center console. Lockbox, we got a little mini safe right here in our center console. This thing is pretty cool. So we're gonna do the usual quick unboxing, check it out a little bit closer. How do you set a new combination? How do you use the key? What if you forget the combo? The basics. We do a full install, which is pretty simple, but I give you a good tip on how to make sure it goes even easier. All the links are below, and be sure to use the discount code TESLAMARK. It will save you the most amount of money and works in all the best places. All right, you got to see this thing. It is like beefier than I expected. Not that this thing is some massive Brinks safe or anything like that, but it's got a little bit of heft to it. You know, this is not something you're just gonna manhandle and open up. You know, it's definitely would take some effort to get this thing broken into without some serious tools. Obviously isn't going to keep your professional safe cracker from breaking in, but it will keep that thief from basically opening up your center console and just rummaging through and grabbing whatever valuables they can. And a lot of times all you got to do is slow people down. And I don't know what you're doing, I don't know what you're keeping in there. None of my business, none of Test Studio's business, but hey, now you got a space for it. Install instructions, which you don't need because you got me. All right, pretty cool. This feels, you know, decent. It's not like, you know, some Brinks safe or anything like that, but it's got some decent build quality to it, some decent thickness. Right, let me show you how to put this thing together. All right, so the initial password is all zeros. Rotate that to open it up. Okay. All right, so let's put a new password in here. You move this lever up to the triangle there. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and then push that down, and that should make that the new password. Let's find out. Well, let's see if this opens. Okay. Okay. 2, 1, 2. Okay, now it opens. All right, cool. Okay, so check this out. Password is 1212. Let's scramble this. Now let's say we forgot our password. What we can do is use the key, turn this 90 degrees this way, and watch this. You start turning this number here, and it gets to a 2, and you can't move it anymore. This one here, 1, can't move it anymore. 2, locks in. 1, locks in. So now we've got our password back. All right, that's pretty cool. So that is the process to open this up if you don't remember your password, because even if you have the key, if you don't have the password in there, you can't open this just using the key. You know, you have to use the key, do the password thing here, and then put it back there and then open it up. So yeah, the key doesn't do anything. The key alone won't open it up. You've got to do the password. So this actually needs to be built in the car. If you notice, there's only 2 sides, so it depends on it being built in the car where you're going to put it. All right, so let's get in the car and put it together. All right, let's start putting this thing together. Now, it's a little bit of a puzzle, but it's not that bad. This part here goes towards the back, but it doesn't actually touch completely the back. I'll show you in a minute. This portion of the L is actually pointing toward the inside of the box. Let me show you. Let's put it in like this. And then again, we don't push it all the way this way, otherwise it won't stand up straight. This one again, here, these holes on the top, L bracket on the bottom. Put it in an angle. And that goes in like that. All right, so this door is going to open this way. So we put it in this direction, and the threads are actually in here. So these tabs need to go on the outside of the sidewalls. Put it off on an angle a little bit like this. just so it sits there. That is a pretty tight fit. I'm checking to see if we've got alignment here. So I actually stuck my cell phone camera down here just to see if the holes and threads were lined up. And now I've got them lined up. So let's see if I can get these in there. This little screwdriver that they gave us is not magnetic. So if you tilt the screw down too far, it's not going to hold it. But I was able to get that in there. Thread that in. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose in case I've got to move it around. Okay. Now that I know that that fits, I'm tightening these two up. And all right, we're good to go. So cool. All right, check it out. We've got a safe. Woohoo! Nice. So with this thing fully assembled, you can't get it out. It won't come out. It's just too big. That's why you actually have to assemble it in the center console, because it's just not coming out. Guys, this thing is super cool.